Pop, pop, pop. Guess what? It's Easter and it's time to work with the Popcorn Factory Popcorn Ball Decorating Kit. Inside, we're going to find a bunch of great little popcorn Easter eggs that we'll decorate, and the kids are going to have a great time doing this easy, no-mess craft. And I'm going to love it because there's no cleanup. Let's check out what's in this box. Let's take a look inside of the Popcorn Factory kit that has the popcorn eggs already made and in packages. Let's see what they have for us. There's actually 8 popcorn Easter egg balls. There's flavored Tootsie Rolls, and there's candy eyes. There's candy corn, licorice bridge mix, caramel popcorn, Smarties, mini graham crackers, and lots more fun, including 2 candy writers that will allow us to write on these little eggs and have a lot of fun so the kids can put their name on it. So let's see how this all works. A lot of stuff in one bag. Here comes a lot of fun. Let's get popping. Okay, so we're gonna take a look, but I actually think they ate more than they produced. So here we go. Here's a little girl one. Oh, she's so pretty. Ears, nose, eyes, and even a pretty headband. And you can see the popcorn mess we have with the Popcorn Factory all over the table. And what else do we have? Looks like a graham cracker and a person. Did you put devil's horns on that?
Yep.
Are you kidding me for Easter? Okay, you never know what the boys are going to create. And this one. Oh, he has 3-dimensional eyes. What do you want to tell me how those eyes came to be?
Well, first I messed up, and then my brother told me, why don't you put regular eyes on them? So I did.
Well, that's pretty cool. So this is in the kitchen with Dana decorating and the kids. Here are our finished results. These turned out really cute, and the kids had a lot of fun. They built and built, and I actually think they ate more than went on to these, but they had a great time making popcorn Easter eggs from the Popcorn Factory.